Hi, I'm gonna go over the two platforms that we use while we day trading with HFX. HFX stands for high frequency forex, and basically that's time-based trading. What we do is we take trades on a certain amount of time. So I can take a trade within 5 seconds, 1 minute, 3 minutes, and as long as I'm saying the market's gonna be up within the next 1 minute, if it's above in that minute, then I make a profit of that. So let's go over pocket option. This is one of binary options platforms that use. There's multiple of them out there. A lot of them have a lot of similarity to them. So let me go over pocket option. Over here to the left, right? You have your currency pairs. If I click on that, and you can see currency, you can trade cryptocurrency, commodity, stocks, and you can see Apple, American Express, and so forth. So I'm gonna go to currencies, and here I'm gonna click on AUD CAD, right? And they say OTC. OTC stands for over the counter. These are in-house pairs with pocket option. If you scroll down, they have other pairs like the real market pairs. If it doesn't say OTC, that's the market across all platforms, and it's paying out 85%. I like to take trades on OTC because they're paying out at the highest point at 92%. Over here to the right, you can see where your amount goes in. If I put $1 at 92%, the currency pairs that I chose, 92%, you'll see below here, and it'll be a payout of $1.92. If I put $10, you'll see $10 at 92%, it'd be a payout at $19.20. If it's $100, I'll get a payout of $192. If you don't get the trade right, you will lose. You win zero, and it'll take whatever you invested. Up above here is the time. That's the time frame that you want to be in the trade for. So here you got 5 seconds, you got 1 minute, 30 minutes. It's whatever you're comfortable with your trading strategy. Some people like to take trades for 2 minutes, some 1 minute, some can be 5 seconds, depending on what your strategy is. My strategy is 5 seconds, so I do 5 second trades. And what I'm saying is, I hit buy, it'll mark my point here when I hit buy, and the market have to be up within the next 5 seconds for me to win this payout of 192. If I hit sell, it has to be below my mark point within the next 5 seconds to win a profit of 192. Now let's go over the calculator. So I'm going to go over the calculator. The calculator here is the HFX compound calculator. I click trade, right? And you're going to put your level, you want to put your name, or what you can title it whatever you want, money bag, new house, car, or whatever you want, retirement plan. You're gonna put your investment amount here. You're gonna put your interest rate, which compounds your investment amount, whatever it is here, and I'll go over that. And the number of trades you're gonna take, and how much you have in your broker. So let's fill this out. So what we want to do is we got a leverage chart. So I want to see what level I'm on, and to determine what level I'm on, determine how many trades that I can take before winning, getting back in profit. I mean, I like to do level 0 and 9, which means I gotta hit 1 out of 9 to get back in profit. So let's bring up the leverage chart. I'm gonna do leverage chart here. You can see this is 1 out of 9. So this is 0 and 9. That means I gotta hit one trade out of 9. And I want to see how much money I have in my account. So I'll go to pocket option, and I have 920 and 74 cents. Let's bring up the leverage chart again. So I will go down this column, and I'll look, and I'm here, right? I have more than 902, but I don't have 1231. So I am here. So I'm on level 8. And at level 8, I look over to the right where it says investment amount here, right? Investment amount. I need to find out how much I need to put in the calculator. It's going to be $32.87. So I'm on level 8. I got to put 32.87. So let's go to the calculator, right? I'm gonna go to the calculator. I am gonna put level 8. You can name it whatever you want. I like to put the level that I'm on. The amount I gotta put here. Let's go back and look at the leverage chart again. I gotta put 32.87. So I'm gonna put 32.87 because that's the investment amount, right? Because I'm putting that there because it's gonna allow me to take 9 tries to get back in profit. All I gotta do is hit 1 out of 9 while I'm trading. So let's go back here. It's going to be 1%. It's always 1%. You can put 2%, 3%. You can hide your risk if you want to. I like to keep my risk low, so I'm putting 1%. So my account is going to compound 1% of $32.87. The number of trades you want to put, I'm going to put 60 just to demonstrate the amount of money that you have in your broker account, which means your binary option account. I'm going to go back here to pocket option. I have 920 and 74 cents. So let's put the 920 here, 920 and 74 cents. Then what we'll do is we click calculate now, and here's the calculator. So, and then we take our currency pair here, you put whatever per currency pair percentage you're taking. Here's the number of trades, the first column, 1 through 50, and I got 60, so I'll go back to the next page on 60. Here you can see the earning. Your account is compounding 1% of 32.87 for each trade. So I'm earning 33 cents per trade. And you can see the total principal here, 33.20, 33.52, 53, 33.87, and it'll keep growing as I take my trades and grow my account. So this is how you set up your calculator. I'm going to show you an example of how this works. I'm going to go here. So for example, we're going to assume if I did this setup at $100 investment amount, 1% of that, we're doing 10 trades. I'm just going to show you an amount, $300 in this account. This here went 1 and 3 and a push. So you would assume this is really bad, right? So you would see here at $100, you're going to grow 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, right? So you're growing your account by $1. It's compounding by 1% of $100. So you take your trade, you put 92%, the calculator will give you this number. It gave 109 and you put 0. So you lost that trade and it went down. So you go in for the next trade, 92% on the currency pair. It's telling you 337. You lose that trade. Come here, put 92%, you put 814 into the pocket option or whatever binary option they're using. You lost that trade, you come back, you put 92%, it tells you 1811. You take the trade, you won that trade, 34.77 payout. Notice here, your investment amount went from $100 to $98.91 to $95, then 87, and then you're back in profit at 104 when you won your trade. It'll continue to compound, and when you win your trade, it's like you never lost a trade. It's like you went 4-0. So 1, 3, and 1. This is a push. You put 92%. That's why it's yellow. 113, 113, and that was a push. So even with a record like that, 1 and 3, you're still in profit. Your account grew from $300 to $304.06, and that's the beauty of this leverage chart. Here you saw that on level 1, you got to at least have $21.41 in your account. I'm down here, and this is how you use the leverage chart. So tonight we're going to take some trades, the live trades. The strategy doesn't matter. What's important is using your leverage chart is the actual compound calculator. You use your strategy, you just need to know what you're comfortable with. Like if you're not going to miss 5 in a row, right? Then you can go ahead and start here on this first column. If you feel comfortable that you're not going to miss 6 in a row, then you can start here. I am here because I'm like, I shouldn't miss 9 in a row. So I am on this column, and I don't go to level 9 until my account reach 1231. So I'll start all over. So once I do my 50 trades, I'll just start anew. I'll delete this one and then start another one. Do another one until my account gets to 1231 for me to get to level 9. And over here to the right of that, you can see how much you will make minimum per 50 trades, right? And then as you level up, it goes up. Here with 64 cents minimum that you make, and then it was $1. And as you level up, it goes up. And as your account grows, the more money you will make. Then you can see down here at level 17, right? You're making $1,800 for every 50 trades, or whatever wherever you're comfortable at, you know. So you use leverage chart to your advantage. And this is just showing you how to use the calculator depending on whatever binary option account that you use. There's multiple accounts here. If I go here and I click on the home page, there's IQs in here by Forex, pocket option, race option, and etc. And there's multiple other binary options, brokers that you can use that will work with the calculator. All right, guys, let's get ready for the live session. Thank you.
All right, good evening, everybody. Good evening, everybody. It is Thursday, which is our Friday for the week. We're going to start off by thank you all again for showing up with us and continuing this journey as we grow to become trillionaires. I'm bypassing million and billion. I am a trillionaire. All right, I'm gonna start setting up my calculator. All right, so we click trade as David stated on the video. We put our trade name. I keep my trade name. Let me see. I keep my trade name here so I don't have to type so much. I'm on level 10. I didn't do any trades today. So I'm at round 1 and I put the date. The day is the 24th. My investment amount, I'm gonna pull up the leverage chart and show you. I'm at level 10. Show you why I'm at level 10. Okay. I have $2,037 in my account. So I'm gonna copy that and put that in my broker. All right, I'm gonna pull up my leverage chart again, show you. So I have 2,000, it says $2,037.15. I have the option of being on level 10 right here. So I can go 0 9. I can miss 9 trades and still be in profit once I hit that 10th one. Or I can level up and do 0 8 right here. Can't miss no more than 8. Or I can level up again to go to level 11, right? Right here. Oh, that is 11. Okay, so I'm sorry. Level 12, I can go here and go 0 7. All right. Depending on where you want to go. So with that being said, if I was to level up to level 12, my investment amount is going to be 240, and that's what we would be investing. But I'm gonna stick with level 10 for now and grow my account a little bit more, so I can level up at my leisure. So my investment amount will be $88.91. Put that there, 88.91. So I'll be compounding that. My number of trades is going to be 60. We're going to take 50 trades, but 60 is just in case the market says, I don't want you to win your 50th trade. And then I have 10 additional trades to go to make them up. All right. As stated before, we like currency of 92% because it's a higher payout. Pocket options doesn't do cents. So my first order size is going to be 109. As you notice here, it's 97 cent. Depending on your level, depending on the start of your order size, but regardless of the fact, we're going to start with 109, but you'll see further down, I won't have to change this because I will be compounding and the order size will start growing. So my first one will be 109. I'm going to copy that. And I'm going to paste this in my pocket options. I'm going to give you a brief synopsis of my madness. So I have 4 indicators here. I had the moving average 10 and 2. The moving average 10 is the red line and 3 pixels right here. That's the moving average. And the moving average 2 is the green, right? That's showing the motion of the candles. All right, that's 3 pixels. That's this line right here. All right, you see the motion of the candles. That's what that one is. And the moving average 10, that's the moving average 10. This can be your ceiling or your floor, meaning that it can go either which way as far as a support and a resistance. Down here, I have my MACD. This shows my which way the market could be going. And right here is the momentum. This shows the strength of the market, right? So I'm gonna start taking some trades and we're gonna take off. Let's see, I'm gonna take my time. I always say that, but the road runner, be out of here in 17 minutes, 20 minutes max it seems, but let's get to it. So this one is 88%. We're gonna go to 92. AEDCNY, that's gonna be the one of choice right now. It's picking up to the upside. We got the momentum going in green. I'm gonna take that first one. Boom, you got a flat bottom. Oh, pull back on me. Going in 0-1 already. Let's go. No problem. No problem. We're gonna take that lesson. 92. 313 is my next trade. Already compounded in the opposite way. So you got green. Sorry, you got the green and the lever in the momentum. Now it turned red. You got your flat top. Wait for my next flat top. I'm gonna take that, push down. Came low, but it's still pushing strong. It's pulling back on me. All right, lesson number 2. Let's go. 92, next trade is going to be 752, Control C, copy that. I'm going to paste that in there. All right, so we got the momentum pushing. Next flat top, I'm going in. We'll take that, came in on a pullback. Let's see if we keep pushing down, pulling back again, pulling back again. All right, I got something for that. I got something for that. Next trade, so I'm 0 and 3, right off rip. Like it, like it, like it, like it. All right. 1670 in pocket options. We got the green and the momentum. We're at the moving average. Again, this is tricky. You have to watch it. So we got a flat bottom, but it's pulling back. I'm watching my momentum right here. I think it's going to pull back. Let's see. Next flat bottom. Let's see what it's going to do. It's pulling back. So right here, normally right here, when you get 2 wicks right here, it pulls back. All right, took off to the upside. So I'm waiting for the momentum. See, it's pulling back right here. I'm going to wait and go to the downside for the next one. Boom. Take that. Let's go. The momentum pulled back. I took the sell. All right, so 3206. We're going to take that, put it in the calculator, 3206, 92. Next trade is 101. I'm going to type 109. Copy that. We're going to paste that in pocket options. Boom. All right, momentum strong. Next flat top, I'm going to go in. Let's see what the momentum looking like. It's pulling back. I'm going to take the buy. Let's see if it pull back for me. Might push down or might pull back. Let's see. All right, it's pushing down. The reason why I went back, because this candle right here on the momentum, this candle right here that I took the trade on, it was pulling back. So I was anticipating that it will pull back. No problem. We're going to go back in to the calculator, place our lesson, 92, Control C, Control V. All right, so we got a flat top. I got a support right here. They're pulling back. I'm going to take that because my momentum is pulling back. See if it push up to the upside. Pull back. Up. That's the timing. Next one. 772 is my next trade. Should be green going up. There it is. Let's go. Next flat bottom going in. Got a momentum green. Strong. Take that for the push up. Let's see. Got a green momentum pushing up, pulling back, pushing up, pulling back, pushing up, pulling back. Pull back. All right. Next trade is going to be 1714. Control C. Control V. So we're going to watch that. You got to pull back right there. I'm going to wait for my next candle to see what it's going to do. It's going down. It could bounce off of this. Let's see. Let's see. Boom. I'm going to take that for the push up. Got the strong momentum. Stronger than this one. See if it take off to the upside. Got that one, 32.91. We're going to put that in the calculator, 32.91, 92. The next trade is going to be 104. I'm going to type 109. I'm going to copy that. Control C. Control V. All right, next candle coming out. Flat bottom going in, but the momentum pulling back. I'm going to take that sell, see if it pull back. The momentum is slowing up. It's going down in the DM, 209. Type 209 right here. 92, 105, 109. We still at 109. It's going down. My respected. Let's see what the next candle give me. Boom. I'm going to take that flat top. It's going down. Let's see. Momentum pushing. Boom. We're still at 109. I'm going to take that again. Got on the pullback. See if we keep pushing. I'm going to go one more time, but I'm going to take it to the upside. Let's so. Because the momentum pulled back on this side. So that means going up on the upside. All right. My currency percentage change. I ain't had no backup on my backup. That's okay. We're going to go
My
in here.
bad. My bad.
It's all good. So I'm going to put in here 32.91 and 2093 and 2051. I'm going to repeat. Look at it again. A little dyslexic. Okay, I got that one. So I got 209, 92, 109, 209, 92, 109. It's 3 or 4. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 205. 2.05. 2.05. 5. 92. Next trade is 112. See, now I don't have to type 109 anymore. I'm going to Control C. I'm going to change currencies. Go back to the top, AUD Chef. I'm going to paste my trade amount. Got red. I'm I'm gonna take that red, it's pushing down, got a strong bearish candle, should be going to sleep. Ugh, I got to push and put that in. 92. Next trade is gonna be 222. We compounded. Control V, Control C. We got red here. Red candle, flat top. Got the momentum small here. I'm gonna take the buy for the next candle. Boom. Let's see it pull back. There it is. Up, 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 up. Pulling back on me. Turned into a doji. It was a flat bottom. Took out to the upside, then turned into a doji and turned back around. So I'm gonna put my lesson. 92. 574 is my next trade. Control V. I'm gonna look at the next candle. It's going to the upside. Got slow momentum going on the backside. I'm gonna take that for the push up. Got green on the momentum. Got him. 1102. 92 is my next trade. Is 112. Where all the players dwell. All right, so we got double wicks. We got the momentum pushing up, but it's slowing down. All right, I'm gonna wait for my next one. I'm potentially gonna take the sell. I'm gonna take that. You got the red down here. See if we push down. Up, 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 up. There you go. 215. Not 215, not yet. 92. Next trade is going to be 113. Control C, Control V. Got momentum here. Let's pull them back. See my candles. It's not big, so let's see what it's going to do. Up to upside, flat bottom going up. Taking off. Strong bullish candle. 217 was my win. 92. Next trade is going to be 114. Control C. Control V. You got the double wicks right here. Normally tell me it's going to turn around. I'm going to take that sell, see if it push. Got your pull back on the momentum. 219. I'm going to switch this. I like this way. 219. 92. 115 is my next trade. Looking at my momentum is red. You got green in the MACD. It's hitting the support. I'm at the moving average right here and going back to the upside. Let it do it again. I'm going to take that buy. Oh, turned around on me, but I think it's going to push back up. It's respecting the moving average. There you go. 221. The moving average could be the floor or the ceiling. You just have to watch it. We wicking. All right, you got your green right here. Think it's going to do it again. Next flat. Boom. Take that for the upside. Got the green and the momentum pushing up. 223. Let's go. 223, 92. Next trade, 117. Let's go. Boom. So I'm looking at my momentum. It's kind of slow. My MACD is pushing. Next flat bottom. I'm going to take that pull back for the momentum is pulling back. Let's see if it pulled back for me. Got the push. I'll take a push, then a lesson. 92. 237 is my next trade. Control C. Control V. I think it's going to respect that moving average. Next candle. Let's see. Boom. I'm going to take the buy. It's respecting the moving average. See if it push back up. Got him. 455. 92. 121. Control C. Control V. I'm watching my moving average. Next candle. Let's see. Boom. I'm going to take it again. See if we push up, bounce off of that. Nope. Didn't like it that time. It's starting to push through. Still my respect and push back up though. It had 2 times. Okay. I'm going to take my lesson. 92. That was a pretty decent run. 374. My next trade. It's going down to the downside. I'm checking my momentum. It's pulling back, going back up. It might go up to go down. All right. Next flat bottom. I'll take that for the momentum up. We got the green. See if it push. Pull. Take that lesson. 92%. 903 is my next trade. All right, you got the dojis, flat top going in for the push down. Let's go. Let's see what it's going to do. Girl, give me that. 1734. 92. 124 is my next trade. Control C, Control V. The momentum's pulling back. Let's see what we get. Flat top going in, got a strong bearish candle, took a nap. 238. 92. Next trade 125. Control C. Control V. Don't got to rush. Those candles ain't going nowhere. You got some momentum pullback. It's right here. Let me see if it's gonna let me put a line. Oh, got too many. All right, let's figure it out. Thinking. Got to pull back. Make this a little bit bigger so we can see. Flat top. I'm gonna take the buy. I think it's gonna pull back for the momentum. Let's see. And my analysis was correct. 240, 2.40, 92, 126. It's doing the same thing. Let's see. Taking out to the upside. I'm gonna take that flat bottom for the push up. Got the green right here, but it's pulling back, respecting the moving average. All right. 92, 390 is my next trade. See what it's gonna do. Next flat bottom. Take that for the push up. Stronger candle, but it's pulling back again. All right, I got you next time. Control C, 943 is my next trade. Going back, so that was a retrace to go up to come down. Next flat top, I'm gonna take that. Oh, got a green right hand in MACD. Let's see if it respect and push back down for me in time. Nope, not in time. Another lesson, my next trade is gonna be 2099. Control C, Control V. So we got green in the MACD, you got the momentum pushing up. We at the moving average, we got dojis, we got a flat top. Let's see, next candle. Okay, we got red still at the MACD. I'm sorry, at the moving average, you got red, red. Let's see. Let's pull them back. All right, let's see. Next candle. I'm gonna take the buy. Let's see what. Oh, wrong move, wrong analysis, wrong analysis, wrong analysis. No problem. Next trade. I'm 0-4. Let's go. 45.12. My next trade. That's what it was supposed to do for me. All right, so my next flat bottom going in. Might pull back. I'm gonna take it. Push up. Let's go. Girl, give me that 86.63. 86.63, 92. Next trade is going to be 133. Compounding, compounding, compounding. All right. Got the momentum pulling back. Got a green candle, but the momentum's pulling back. My next trade, I'm going to take the sell. Let's see. Oh, I hit the button, but I didn't hit the button. My next candle, I'm going to take the sell. Boom. Let's see if we pull back. See how much time I got. Got him. 255. We're going to put that in the books. 255.92. Next trade is going to be 134. Slide up. We almost home. 135. The momentum's pulling. Let's see if we get a push up. Next flat top. Oh, we got some pull back. See momentum. This candle is smaller than that candle. It's trying to come back. All right, I'm gonna wait for my next candle. I'm gonna take the sell. Boom. I'm gonna take the sell. I took a high so I can drop back. 257. Gonna put that in the bank. 2.5792. Control C. Control V. We're gonna repeat. It's gonna go up to come down. Oh, I missed that one. It's okay. Go up. Next candle. Boom. Take that. Oh, I hit the candle. I missed it. Next one. Let's go. Boom. Flat top going down. The momentum's switching up. It's pushing down now. What's that? 261. I'll put that in the books. 2.61. 92. 137 is my next trade. 137. The momentum is pushing down. Pulling back a little bit. All right. We got green. The momentum pulling back. That's flat. Let's see if it's going to respect this. I think it might respect the moving average. It is. Wait for my next count. I'm going to take the sell. Well, let's see if we respect it and pull back. Respect the moving average. This is the roof. This is the roof. So that was 263. I'm going to put that in the calculator. Oops. Go back. 2.63 and 92. Next trade is going to be 138. Control C. Let's go. Strong candle. Next flat top going in. Strong. Boom. Push. Let's see if we push down. Oh, pull back. Momentum changing. Push, push. Oh, pull back on me. Next trade gonna be 427. Control C, Control V. Pulling back, going back to the upside. It may respect this. This could be the roof. See what my next one give me. I'm gonna take the sell. Let's go. Push down. That is 820 in the books. Let's go. We making money. 92, 141 is my next trade. Almost in the 40s. We know how the 40s rock. Don't like us. Let's see. Think it's gonna pull back. I'm gonna take the sell anyway. Let's go. Push down. Got him. 271, 2.71, 92. 142 is my next trade. Let's go. Let's go. All right, we got some pullback. You got the momentum pulling up. You got the green in the MACD. Let's see if it's going to respect the moving average. I'm going to wait for my next one. It's respecting. I'm going to take the sell. Boom. Let's see. Let's see if it do it for me. It is not. It may go fast. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for. 273, 92. Oh, 2.73, 92. Next trade is 143. It respected the moving average. This was the roof. It's still respecting the moving average. It is the roof right now. My next flat top going in. I'm gonna take that. Oh, gave it to me low, but we pushing. Let's see. Oh, the momentum turn around. I'll take that lesson. 92. Control C. 445 is my next trade. You got flat bottom. I'm waiting for my next trade. The momentum's pushing, but I think it may pull back. One more candle. Let's see. All right, pushing up. Boom. I'm gonna take that. See if it push up. That momentum is pushing. Take it to the house. 854, 92. Next trade is 147. Control C. Control V. Next candle coming out flat bottom, going in. Momentum's pushing up. Boom. 282. 2.82, 92. Next trade is 148. Control C. Check my momentum. Momentum's still strong. Next candle flat bottom, I'm going in. Boom. I'm gonna take that for the push up. Let's go. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills. 284, 92. Next trade 150. Control C. Momentum slowed up. Turn around. It's gonna go up to come down. Next candle. I'm gonna take the sell. Went up to come down. Let's see. Forgive me. Nope. That was a little timing issue. See, it switched up. 0, 92. Next trade is 462. Control C. Control V. All right, the momentum changed back to the upside. Is respect. See respect now. Now the moving average is the floor. It's coming to the floor. It hit right here and it's pushing up. So my next flat bottom, I'm going in for the buy rather. For the buy, it's pushing up. The momentum should be pushing up. Up, turn around. The momentum change right here. All right, no problem. 0 and 2 for this one. Control C, 1121. Let's see if it's going to respect the moving average. Look like it is. All right. I'm going to take that buy. See if it's respecting moving average and push back up. Nope. Pushing through. No problem. Oh, hold on. 0, 92. Next trade, 24.93. Control C. Boom. All right. So we got the momentum pulling back. My candles is red, flat top. Let's see. We're going to get it. I'm going to take that flat top. Got a strong bearish candle. See if it push down for me. Go down, go down. Pull back. Control C, 53, 59. Control C. It's pushing. That's what I want to do for the first time. Next strong flat top going in. Boom. In. See if it push. Up. Pull. All right. I told you them 40s is murder. Next trade is 113.41. We're going to hit the brakes. See what this thing doing. We got to pull back. It's respecting the moving average. It came up here, push back. Let's see what the next one's going to give me. All right, got one more. I'm going to do it again. Boom. I'm going to take this sell. Let's see what it's going to do. We got them, y'all. 217.75 in the building. We finished at 50, 217.75. Pow. Let's go. Let's go. All right, let me see. 0 and 3, 0 and 3, 0 and 2, 0 and 4. All right, let's look at what we got going on here. Profile. All right, so we started at 2037, right? My ending, I don't know what's up with that. That's something wrong right there. We gotta check that. My trading profit was 51.72. My max trade was 113. My payout for that 113 was 217. That max trade was due to my 0 and 5. I had a winning streak of 7 and 0. And I did all of that in a whopping 20 minutes. Let's go. So my ending was 2094. I'm not sure what happened on the calculator. We got to check into that, see what happened. Any questions, any concerns, any comments? Everybody still trading? Y'all ain't fast as me? Nobody want to talk to me today?
Everybody's still trading. I
All
got
right.
the, I got, I think I got a, what is the momentum? I gotta add the momentum to, but I be feeling like it's sensory overload because I feel like the MACD does enough, and to glance at the MACD and then to the momentum and then jump back in, it feels like it wastes more time for me at least.
So I'm gonna tell you why, right? Because I'm not saying that you do, but it's possible. If you keep your mouse in the field, that takes away from your time. Just try to keep it over here and just visualize, just open up. Because if you're looking at the MACD, right, and the
Mm-hmm.
momentum's right here, it's the same thing. It's right there. You're just using your peripheral, right? Because if
Mm-hmm.
you see here at the MACD got big candles, right? But look what the momentum doing. The momentum is turning around. You feel me?
Yeah.
So I mean, it's a choice on you if you want to use it or not. But to me, I think it helps me. It helps me a lot with the pullbacks. So I mean,
And I
you could
got,
try. You could test it. You could
mm-hmm.
test it with your demo and see if you can correlate it with your strategy. But if it doesn't
Mm-hmm.
work for you, it doesn't work for you. I mean, again, we we take our strategies that that we're comfortable with.
Gotcha.
So
And then I got another question.
mhm.
I call it the in between. It's not the resistance. It's not the EMA. It's not the support. It's like right in the middle.
This right here, the moving average, is
No,
the
I'm
red
talking
line.
about um pu- 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 pu-
It's another indicator.
where a support comes out of nowhere, basically, or a resistance comes out of nowhere. Like it's on a downtrend
Uh-huh.
and it hasn't reached the um what is that? Your zero?
Yeah, I got you. So I understand what you're saying. So that's just the market. So that's the market. For
Yeah.
example, you say you do use your horizontals, right?
Yeah, I use
It,
the
it,
horizontal.
if you set a horizontal and look back in the past, right, you can see back in the past where that horizontal is, that it takes
I
off.
could I can see where it's going. The real question was, how do I know if it's gonna be a reversal or is it gonna continue on the trend it's on after the in between or it hits the invisible support or resistance.
I think that's where your momentum come in at.
That's what I was gonna be like. Um, I think that's a key factor to me um, venturing into the 60% with the momentum because I'll be thinking I'll think it's a reversal and it just crushes that little resistance or support and passes
Mhm.
straight through it. So I think I gotta add the momentum, but like you said, try it on my
Demo account.
demo account.
Yeah. Anybody else have any questions or concerns?
I put the momentum on my trading today, earlier today, and it's pretty good. So it's like if you put it in there, because when you were saying pullback, I couldn't see it, but and now I see what you're talking about. When I started trading with the momentum, the actual bar gets smaller, and that shows you the sign of reversal. But I also changed my momentum to 2. Like I edited my settings to 2. So it changes the green a lot faster. If it's going down, it'll change the green a lot faster. And if it's going up, it'll change the red a lot faster.
Let me check that out. Bot save. Let's see. Okay.
So you see, you'll pull back instead of small, it'll automatically it'll get green a lot faster. So you can kind of
Anticipate it better.
Yeah. I like that. I'm gonna leave that just like that. Thank you, sir. Appreciate that. Jim? Anybody else? Jovan, what's up? How you doing?
I'm doing good, man.
That's good. That's good. What number you at right now?
I finished.
Okay, cool. Great. Great, great, great. All right. So if nobody have any other questions, I can shoot the motivation video of the day, and then we can get out of here, and we'll see you Monday. But y'all keep trading, keep trading, keep trading, keep trading.
It's time to rise and shine. It's time to be about that business. It's time to understand that if you want to get something out of your life, you got to be willing to work for it. I'm talking to the one that wants to go beyond the limit. I'm talking to the one that is willing to work a little bit harder than the next man or the next woman. I'm talking to the one that's been through hell. I'm talking to the one that really wants to take it to that level that no one has ever been. When you step into that room, when you step into that environment, you got to be hungry enough to eat what is coming your way. You cannot be concerned about what can't be done. You need to be focused on what must be done. If you feel that you are not in a position to do it, then why show up in the first place? You got to understand that it takes grit, passion, and determination to get to the level of where you want to be. But you got to understand the difference between levels and going beyond them. You can't stay in one place and expect to get to the next place. You can't look at the sky, because beyond the sky, there's a great big universe. Now what are you gonna do about it? Are you prepared to push? Are you prepared to work? Are you prepared to dig? You got to fight. You got to push. You got to give everything you have. Because I tell you this, weakness won't save you. All you need is the power, the strength, and the tenacity to give it everything you got. Have the love for your grit. Have the love with every rep that you push out, and understand it is up to you to get the most of everything that you work so hard for. Now you got to also understand this. It ain't gonna be easy. It's not gonna be a walk in the park. There's always more to give. You got to be willing to sacrifice. You got to be willing to hurt. You got to be willing to yell out. Whatever it takes, keep pushing forward. Don't you give up on your life. Don't you give up on those reps. Don't you give up on giving it what it takes to get the most of yourself. If you believe in the possibilities, then make it work for you. If you believe that that weight is too heavy, then you won't push it. If you believe that when you run in that mile and you want to give up, you better find another way and push harder than you've ever pushed. Don't get tired. Don't get weak. Find a way. Make a way. Push your body. Push your mind. Push your soul. And give it everything you got. Because someone else out there may want it a little better than you do. Now, if you say what you are, then be what you need to be. If you want to get something out of life, then fight for your life. When you're in that gym, find a way to go beyond that limit. Find a way to push your body. It is your body. It is yours. You own it. It belongs to you. The time that you have in this world, you only got a short time. Make the time count. Make the moment count. Give it something. Feed that body. Build that body. Build that mind. Build that soul. And go to work. Because this is the hour, this is the time, this is the now, and I want to see you working. I want you to dig, I want you to feel it, I want you to struggle, I want you to hurt, I want you to bleed, I want you to fight, because this is that time. Show the world, and show up, and show out, and most importantly, do your job, and do that business.
All right, all right, all right. I hope that motivates y'all like it do motivate me. I don't know why every time I watch these doggone videos, I want to go outside and go take a run. Every time. Motivation to motivate. All right. Once again, we appreciate y'all for coming out this week. If you came here, that means you are a winner. We all are winners. I am a trillionaire. I am a trillionaire. I am a trillionaire. All right. Y'all know my good old mantra. See you at the top, put the bottom too crowded. Thank you all. Good night. Love you.